Hey y'all, Catherine here with Ukulele Wine Time. I have a special guest with me for our 5-minute practice exercise today. This is my husband, Steven.
Hello.
Say hi to Steven, y'all.
Hello to you, Ukulele Universe.
So he's going to join us on guitar. We're music teachers together. That's how we met. We play a lot of music in our house and teach a lot of music, and it's super fun. And one thing that I really want for you, all of my students, is to be able to play music with other people. So although we're doing it through a screen today, we're going to do a little bit of that together. So in our last 5-minute practice video, we were exploring melodies using the 3 notes C, D, and E. If you need a little refresher, that's your open C string, 2nd fret C string, that's D, and then open E string, that's E. So I've got C, D, E, or 1, 2, 3, the first 3 notes of our C major scale, or solfege, do, re, mi. All right, sounds good on guitar. Same notes. So now I'm going to take these 3 notes. Well, you're going to do this, but I'm going to show you first. And I'm just going to improvise using just those 3 notes. So that's my zone. And I'm just going to make up melodies. And Steven's going to play a C chord on the guitar. And then, so he's playing harmony, chords. I'm playing melody, single notes. All right. Ready to try it out?
Here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Your turn.
All right, so now it's your turn. So just those 3 notes. And I want you to think of your instrument almost like a drum. So I find that you can be more creative when you put these little rules in place. So our first rule, right, is just those 3 notes. And then after that, just play whatever comes to mind. There's no right or wrong. You just got those 3 notes. Explore. If you hit a wrong string, who cares? I just want you to explore and have fun. So now we are going to accompany you, and it's your turn to try out some melodies using C, D, and E. Make sure you tune. And here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right, how did it go? I hope you had fun playing along with us. I wish we could do it together around a campfire in the same room, maybe one day. All right, thanks for taking time out of your day to practice some ukulele and get creative with me, and I will see you soon. And thank you, Steven, for joining us.
See ya.
All right, bye. Ukulele Wine Time.